So friend, this is my Nettech Sky channel here and the Network Settings Center video part 2 here. So watch my previous video part 1 Network and Settings Center. What is a Network and Settings Center? By using Network and Settings Center, I'm already told you part video part 1 here. So in this my channel I'm continue control panel series here, and the Network and Settings Center how working here, and how many type uh, options and features, and by using in these type options in computer, this type Windows operating system, and how many type settings available in Network Information Center. So before you watch this part 2, so first my Network Information Center uh, part 1 you must watch here. So without part wise you cannot start continue. So let's start and continue this video part 2 here. So watch my first previous video and after watch this Network and Science Center part 2. So let's start here. Hello friend, this is my online Nettech Sky channel. In this module you can see here my this online Nettech Sky channel, this type right and search here, and you can visit here. This is my channel logo, and so you can see this is my very lot of videos available for you and your basic computer knowledge, advanced courses, PayPal, how to use PayPal, Windows 10 settings, computer hardware courses, network courses, and very important for you operating system and computer hardware related. So you can see network courses, and I'm daily update this video for you and very free of cost, and basically you can very different type of syllabus you can control panel using in Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8. So you can see all of playlists available in my this channel, and you can visit, very helpful for your computer and computer knowledge for related. So you can see here this is a very important and different type of network and computer related courses, internet related courses, computer ethical hacking, Red Hat Linux, Windows 10 basic, Windows 8, how using Windows 7 basic, how to install operating system, everything available in my channel online at this Sky channel. This channel very helpful for you and advanced. You can learn about computer, okay, and visit one by one my. You can see here my videos available. So any question you can comment me, and you maybe like, so this is very good for you, and click on subscribe and click on like button. So let's continue this video, and you can see this dial-up connection. So this is a old technology, and this is using a modem and SDN systems here. So first dial-up connection you want modem system modulation, demodulation systems here. So broadband is new technology type systems. This point-to-point power of Ethernet technology, and this is old generation type dial-up connection using an internet system through. So this is you have old connection type systems here, but I'm just showing showing you broadband systems here. And last you can see just you some these all of showing in my computer. So first I'm click on change adapter settings. So for you have installed these network card, LAN card. So this type RJ45 type cable here, and this using RJ45 type cable in my systems here, and this type connector showing. So my computer 2 type network card here, And this is a USB wireless my systems here. This is my USB wireless systems here, and using a USB wireless connection system here. So this is a Ethernet one type of system my computer. So this is my computer in showing Ethernet 2, that means second my this RJ45 connector. So I'm additional already created this Ethernet 2 type new connection. So this is RJ45 Cat6 cable available in your computer using your internet. So backside check in your desktop and laptop systems here, and check in your your DSL router here. So this is one type of your technology coming through network data and network packages here. So this is RJ45. What is the RJ45 connection connector? So connection is one type of create data in your your create anything your data, and you send anything side just like email through anything. So this data going through these wire and wireless through. So I'm disable these wireless because I'm just showing only these first these systems here. But you can see just not I have anything connection. So this type showing in my computer cross line. That means not using anything my network, not my network down here, because I'm already disconnect my router systems here. So click on here and I'm just showing. First enter your username, give ISP through and internet service provider company here. So this is my internet connection. I'm just showing only example here, not enter my username and password, because this is very important for me. So how can we using anything time you want you are coming in a new desktop, you are purchase new desktop. So how can we start up here this in system? So username password enter here. This my enter username my computer, and this is my password enter in my computer here. You can see just here. So this is internet service provided my password here, because this is password very important for username and password. And don't show this username and password in your computer, because this is important for and I'm just showing only for these my system. And remember these passwords, so that means you store your password in your computer here. So remember, and connection name. So this is my broadband connection, showing me I can set customs name, allow other people to use this connection. That means you are using other system, other your connections, and using just like wireless systems and wireless systems here. So creating and connecting your broadband connection, this tab here, and complete success, showing your username password here. And after complete, so this automatically close these systems here. So I have no anything these connection, because I'm just showing only and showing this area side your systems here. Try again, so set up your again system here, and sometime not connect your systems, so that means you are enter wrong username password. So again going and click on again set up broadband connection here. So you are complete to showing here these apps here. Set up a new network here. So network and internet different tab working here. So I'm showing do you want to using connection that already you have. So I'm already just now created these network here. So this is one type of new creator event systems. So click on no, but you want using this, so yes I choose this existing connection, but I am using a new connection here. and click on next, and again showing here, but I'm just showing only dial-up connection, how to set up dial-up connection. So you have a first modem one type of devices or network here, and look at out four type available. First time we are coming here options, but just now showing this created internet connection after three type available options here. So this is set up a new uh, I'm already created these systems here, but I'm like new connection, so I can create 3 4 5 type connection here. So in my case you can see connect to the network in my setup systems here. So you can see just this wireless router or access point you want configure here. So 90-second give and unconfigured devices, so automatically wireless device only for you systems showing here, and appear here 19 seconds. So wireless devices you are connected and you start, so this is automatically detect in 19 seconds. So this not setup is showing here. Connect to workplace, that means you want first a virtual private network, but virtual private network not starting direct without your virtual private network and your server. So I will discuss in this virtual private network how can we using and dial directory. So I will discuss in server video. So virtual private network one type of safe network in between server and client, and using network sales. So virtual private network that means you create a private connection, and this using the internet through, and dial directory, that means you connect directly a phone number without going through internet. So this is before you connect, showing these my systems showing me my computer. So before you connect showing in my computer, you must first connect to the internet, and how you want to connect to the internet, because I have broadband connection options, dial-up connection options. So I'm just now this type connect and created these broadband connection systems here. So this means showing me systems here. So you create a new connection to the internet. So I'll click on next. So again showing this system here. So in my computer I'm just showing only this. Select my computer and create a virtual private network showing here. Enter your server IP address or domain name. So you are online set up your server. So enter your internet address, that means your server IP address or the domain name, and destination name virtual private network automatically showing in here. So this is one type of internet address, and internet address help for your computer. So one type of create a tunnel, safe tunnel here. So I will discuss deeply in network systems and network services, and I will discuss in network series these options by these how can we using here virtual private network, and how using a virtual private network technology, and I will discuss in server playlist, server video. So I'm created one type of this my IP address of my computer, my web online server systems IP address here. So so you are connect in yeah, yeah, you are set up here these IP address in my these internet option, these systems here. So 192.168.125.16, but one mistake here, 1256, not this complete value here. So I'm just showing again here. Though, so this is a 3-digit one every systems here, and you are enter anything. I will discuss in IP address, what is IP address in network series, and enter your destination name, your virtual private network name. So first you want a virtual private network in your server setup here, and without server, your server, you configure and online your server virtual private network connection type server, so you can system connect your, and this is allow other people to use this connection. That means some employee using this system and using this connection in your systems here. So you can create a virtual private network in your systems and your one type on this system. So I'm this move so this is IP address complete in my system. So you can see just allow other people to use this connection here, and you can see this option allows click on create. That means create my virtual private network. Second is I'm showing change adapter setting. That means your adapter in check device and printer option, these systems here. So this is a printer and some your devices communicate by adapter settings. Adapter in some IP address and some gateways and default I will discuss in network series here. So set up new network and new network systems here. Okay, so this is one type of computer communication type of your connection, and I will third option showing you this workplace network here. So company private network, your company created your server, so you can select your network communication. So you are using this broadband connection virtual private network system, so you can take these but I'm just showing new system. Click on OK, and again showing me virtual private network serving, because this is one type of client, but directly you can even connect. So dial connect, that means dial connect one type of you are creating dial up connection type. So this is system using system your virtual private smart systems here. So you must configure your this one type of virtual private network in broadband connection here. So enter your username and password here, and this is connect in your broadband connection. So you can see this my username showing, and this username give by company, because I'm purchased new I'm just showing only example you, because I'm purchased this new internet connection, and enter password here. So this is a password one type of give by company internet service provider here, and you can your complete your username correct and password correct. So me only, that means your computer only using this network and internet here, but anyone who user this company's computer, so you can use here. And advanced setting and advanced options in you can set up remember my credential. That means these automatically save in username password in your network here. Okay, so what is a credential manager I will discuss already. I'm already discussed these credential manager and home group, and this is a watch my video content playlist video. This is a very important for you, because this is a credential manager how can be using systems in my computer. So Windows operating system always startup and option showing here. Remember my credential one type of save your username password here, not again, and at the time before hanging up, that means 1 minute after you cannot connect, and this is point to point power that means enable protocol here. So this is enable LCP extension. So this is enable software compression. That means compress your your 4 MB to compress after 2 MB, showing this one type of technology. So friends, this is a network and sales center video part 2, very long here. I will continue in next video part 3, network and sales center. What is the network and sales center part 3 in the different type options. So I will continue in network and sales center video part 3, but this is a network saving center is video part 2 here, and I'm continue one by one this video here. Okay, so some settings I will discuss and continue practical. I will show you in next video part 3. So because this very long duration type this video here, so my all video part wise here, so you must watch part wise, because long long duration time not possible for showing everything settings. So I'm create a one by one part wise. So you want more information, so watch my playlist and Gmail information, Facebook information, computer hardware, computer network. Watch my playlist video. So thanks for watching my video.